probability that exactly two of the three balls were red. Two of the three balls are red. The first ball being red is the first option 1 by 3, second 4 by 7, C1 is 15 by 28 and D1 is 5 by 28. Same data. The previous example data is what? How many red balls? 5 red balls. How many blue balls? 3. 3 balls are drawn. 3 balls are drawn. 3 balls are drawn without replacement, right? Without replacement, same this. Without replacement. So here observe it is. We want the probability of that exactly 2 of the 3 balls are red. वो 3 balls में exactly 2 balls red रहना. 3 balls जो draw करें ना उसमें से compulsory exactly 2 red balls आना. और फर्स्ट बॉल क्या आना चाहिए? रेड. फर्स्ट बॉल शुड बी रेड. फर्स्ट बॉल जो आता है ना वो रेड ही रहना. मतलब अभी ऐसा ना फर्स्ट बॉल रेड फिक्स. ओके तो भी ये क्या जाता है आर बी आर दो आना ही रेड इधर आर आर बी और पॉसिबिलिटी है क्या? नहीं ना. तो ये तो रेड है फिक्स रखना नहीं इसको. तो इसका प्रोबेबिलिटी का जरूरत नहीं है. इसे फिक्स करना है तो इधर ही इसका ही फाइंड करना है चांस. ये तो फिक्स आना ही है ना. ये फिक्स आना ही है. ये आया गया समझो. इसका चांस फाइंड करना है. We have to find the probability of these 2 balls, right? They are independent. So now we want the probability of blue balls. How many blue balls are there? 3 out of total number 7. One is removed. One is fixed. One red ball is fixed. So remaining total outcomes is what now? 7 because one first ball is red. That is already it is red. Okay. Therefore total number of outcomes 7. So now this 3 by 7. So now here what? One ball is drawn. One blue ball is drawn. So remaining ball 6. Right? Now we want the probability of which one? Red. How many red now? 3. 4. Sorry. Because one red ball is here already drawn now. So it is 4. It is 4. Okay. So 4 by 6. And this is probability of red ball. Or it is another case now. Probability of red ball. How many red ball? 4 out of 7. Right. And probability of blue balls. 3 blue balls are there out of 6. So just add it. So 3 1 the 3 2s are. 2 1 the 2 2s are. It is 2 by 7. And this also 2 by 7. Right? Correct no? 3 1 the 3 2s are. So 2 1 the 2 2s are. 2 by 7 into 2 by 7. 2 into 2 by 7 it is 4 by 7. Okay. A, B and C fire at a target. In turn, starting with A. Full stop. Their probability of hitting target are 0.4, 0.3, 0.2 respectively. respectively. The probability of two hits. The probability of two hits. Two hits is the first option 0.024, B option 0.188, C is 0.336, D is 0.452. So three persons A, B, C fire at a target in turn. In turn means first A, then B, then C. Starting with A, ऐसे fire करना. First A करना, बाद B, बाद में C. Probabilities of hitting target are given. Probability of hitting target A is 40%, that is P of A is 0.4, and P of A B is 0.3, P of C is 0.2. This is the probability of hitting target. Also we need probability of missing target. ये हिट क्या सा probability? मतलब जो मारता है सा probability है इतना. अगर वो मिस हो गया तो उसका भी फाइंड करना. Probability of not A then. Probability of not A means probability of missing target. P of A dash. That is 1 minus P of A. 1 minus P of A 0.6 हो गया है. और P of B dash क्या आ जाता है 0.7 आ जाता है. P of C dash is 0.8. So now what do you want? Probability of two hits. We want probability of two hits. Means probability of hit A. If A is hit, then B not hit. No, probability of two hit means दो hit होना. A B hit, then C miss. A hit, B hit, C miss, right? Correct or not? दो hit होना. कौन सा A या B, A और B, then C miss, right? Or means plus. A hit, B miss, C hit. Or then A miss, B hit, C hit. Correct, no? This one. P of A is 0.4, 0.3, P of C dash 0.8 plus P of A is 0.4, P of B dash 0.7 into P of C is 0.2 plus P of A dash 0.6, P of B 0.3, P of C 0.2. Okay? It is how much?
0.188.
0.188 total. The total product and sum is 0.188.
All sir.
With all this. This is point.
Pura.
With product. This product and sum. This is a 1.2 into 0.8. 0.0. This one 0.8 into 0.056. 0.056. Then here 0.1.2 into 0.3036. Then we get 0.188. Assume that in a family, each child is equally likely to be a boy or girl. A boy or a girl. First of all, a family with three children. With three children is chosen at random. First of the probability probability that the eldest child is a girl, given that the family has at least one girl. Yes. First option 1/2, B 1/3, C 2/3, D 4/7. थ्री चिल्ड्रन का फैमिली है वो, हाँ, रैंडमली चूज करना है. द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट द एल्डेस्ट चाइल्ड इज अ गर्ल, प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ द एल्डेस्ट मतलब बड़ा चाइल्ड क्या होना चाहिए, गर्ल आना चाहिए, बड़ी लड़की होना चाहिए. गिवन दैट फैमिली हैज एटलीस्ट वन गर्ल, तो क्या देंगे फैमिली में एटलीस्ट एक गर्ल है ना. तो पास्ट कौन सा है इसमें, एटलीस्ट वन गर्ल पास्ट हुआ ना,
1 2 3
ये पास्ट हो गए, राइट. पास्ट का तो पहला हो गया, समझो इसको इवन लेता हूँ मैं, ठीक है. अभी जो हो रहा है प्रेजेंट में कौन सा हो, एटलीस्ट ऐसे गिवन दैट, हाँ, एल्डेस्ट चाइल्ड इज अ गर्ल, ये E2 लेता हूँ. तो क्या चाहिए देखो हमें, वी वांट द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ E2 पास्ट, ऑलरेडी इवन टेक्स प्लेस, E2 और इवन. Probability of eldest child is a girl, given that family has at least one girl. P of E2 by E1. तो फार्मूला तो पता है, P of E2 by E1 is P of E2 intersection E1 divided by P of E1. Conditional probability. Right, E1. What is E1? At least one girl. Okay. So first outcomes, I will write outcome, that is sample space. Family has how many? 3 children. So possibilities all 3 girls, or G, B, G. This possibility or girl, boy. Comma 2 cube, no, it is. Three children should be chosen, so that is 2 cube, 8. 8 outcomes. Number of outcomes 8. But what those outcomes required? Then here GGB next, G B, that's it. GB G over GGB over next B GG. Allowed, right, the all sample space, because we want intersection. Then next is B BG, then GBB. Okay, next BBB. Or no? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. One more. B BGB, correct? BGB. Right, no? Now yes, this is now even. Tell me, even is what? Given family has at least one girl. क्या था even? At least one girl.
1/2.
At least one girl, minimum एक लड़की होना चाहिए. Minimum one girl. Minimum one girl मतलब ये आ जाता है. मैक्सिमम लिमिट नहीं है, ये आ जाता है, ये जाता है, ये आ जाता है, सिर्फ ये छोड़ के सब आ जाते हैं. Right, so what is probability of this now?
7/2.
7 outcomes, your total number of outcomes 8. Okay. Then here P of E1 over intersection required, na? So what is E1 intersection E2? What is E2? E2 में क्या आता है? Eldest is a girl. Eldest बड़ी लड़की है. एक 2, राइट, ये 3, 4 आ जाते हैं, राइट। इसमें कॉमन कौन से हैं? P of E2 not required. E1 there are 4, okay, so we want E1 intersection E2. E1 E2 में कॉमन कौन से आ जाते हैं? राइट, ये नहीं आता ऐसा ना,
At least one.
हाँ वो भी आ जाता है। So it means how many? 4, 1 2 3 4, 4 by 8, 1 by 2, करेक्ट ना। ये छोड़ के सभी आते हैं E1 और E2 में क्या आ जाते हैं? A4, तो इंटरसेक्शन भी वही आ जाता है, राइट। So now probability of this 1 by 2. So write in the formula, that is it is 1 by 2 divided by P of E1 is 7 by 8. So it is 2 on the 2, 4 the, it is become 4 by 7. Die is thrown and a card is drawn. A card is drawn, selected at random from a pack of 52 cards, 52 playing cards. The probability of getting an even number, on the die and a spade card. Is the first option. 1 by 2, B 1 by 4, C 1 by 8, D is 3 by 4. So there are two independent events, correct? Die is thrown, one of the event, another is card is drawn from 52 playing cards. They are independent or not? A die is thrown, this is one event. Another is a card is drawn from 52 playing cards. They are two totally independent events. So we want probability of an even number. So first take even is getting even number. So what even numbers are? 2, 4, 6. 3 even numbers. Out of the 6, correct no? When die is thrown, there are totally die is thrown means outcome 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In that even number 2, 4, 6. So it is 1 by 2. And here one more, another event is spade card, getting a spade card. So E2 is spade card. So how many spades card? How many spades card? 13, no? 13 spades card, right?
52.
So 13 by total number of card 52. It is 1 by 4. And they are independent, so then P of E1 into P of E2. 1 by 2 into 1 by 4. You go intersection pucha nahi, and intersection. We want probability of E1 and E2. E1 and means intersection. P of E1 intersection E2. For independence, P of E1 intersection E2 is P of E1 into P of E2. It is 1 by 8. Okay. The next one. A box contains 3 orange balls, 3 green balls, 3 green balls, and 2 blue balls. So 3 balls are drawn. 3 balls are drawn at random from the box without replacement next the probability of drawing 2 green balls and 1 blue ball is first one 3 by 28, B is 2 by 11, C 1 by 28, D 167 by 168. Okay, so total outcomes that is 3 plus 2, which is 8. Again here also without replacement is there. Without replacement. We want the probability of 2 green balls and 1 blue balls. 3 balls are drawing, right? 3 balls are drawing, so the probability of 2 green balls and 1 blue balls. That is 2 green, 1 blue. One possibility, another G, B, G. Then one more B, G, G. Orange ball is not there. Okay. Now we want probability of green ball. How many green balls are there? 3 green balls out of 8. So 1 ball is drawn, so remaining 7. And remaining green balls are 2. Right? Then probability of blue balls we want, total number of balls 6. How many blue balls are there? 2 blue balls. Then plus probability of green balls, that is how many green balls? 3. Total number of balls 8. Now 1 ball is drawn, so remaining 7. So how many blue balls are there? 2. 2 by 7. Now remaining balls are 6. And how many remaining green balls? That is 2, because 1 green ball is here drawn. Remaining 2. Plus the probability of blue balls, that is 2 by 8. Into probability of green balls. How many green balls? 3. 3 divided by 7. And here this is the 1 green ball is drawn 2 by 6. See 8, 7, 6, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, right? Means they are same, multiply with 3. So now it is 2 1 the 2 4 the, then 3 1 the 3 2 the, 2 to cancel, means 1 by 28. Correct, no? So its answer is 3 by 28. Has 8 batteries. 8 batteries, out of which 3 are dead. 3 are dead. Full stop. If two batteries are selected without replacement, and tested, called the probability that that both are dead. That both are dead is first option 33 by 56, B 9 by 64, C 1 by 14, D 3 by 28. Now, total number of outcomes. How many batteries? 8. Out of which 3 are dead. So 3 are dead. So the probability of dead batteries. What? 3 batteries are dead out of 8. 3 by 8. Okay. Now 2 batteries are selected. We have to select 2 batteries randomly without replacement. Then we have to find the probability that both are dead. जो 2 बैटरीज निकालना है वो रैंडम निकालना है, दोनों भी डेड आना, उसका चांस फाइंड करना, राइट? दोनों डेड बॉडी दोनों डेड बैटरी आने के चांस फाइंड करना. सो देन कैसा रहता बोलोगे? DDs. ओके. So probability of dead body into dead battery into probability dead body battery. कितना है वो? 3 by 8. एक ऑलरेडी वहाँ भी 7 2 by 3 by that's 3 correct ना? 3 by 28. Eight coins are tossed together. The probability of getting exactly three heads is first option 1 by 256, B 7 by 32, C 5 by 32, D 3 by 32. Eight coins are tossed here, so it is difficult to write sample space. Right, so we go to binomial distribution. Right, so for binomial distribution, you know probability of success. X-axis is NCX, Q raised to n minus x, P raised to x. Right now, so X is number of success. What do you want? What to take success here? Success is getting heads. Getting head is success. Getting heads ये है ना, ये success लेता हूँ. So now what is x value? How many success we want? Exactly 3. X equal 3. Exactly 3. At least 3 बोला तो x greater than or equal to 3. At most 3 means 3 heads means less than or equal to 3. So exactly 3 heads means x equal to 3. X हुआ. यह number of trials 8. Then what? P probability of success. Probability of getting head 1 by 2. Probability of getting head. There are 2 outcomes on one coin. So one head is there. 1 by 2. And probability of failure again 1 by 2. 1 minus P. Q is equal to 1 minus P. So now we write N is 8, C 3. Q is 1 by 2 raised to 8 minus 3. P is 1 by 2 raised to x 3. So 8C3, we can go for combination. 8 factorial by 3 factorial into 8 minus 3, 5 factorial, correct no? NCR formula. Then it is 1 by 2 raised to 5 and this is 1 by 2 raised to 3. So it is 8, how much? 56. That is 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 3 into 2. Then here 1 by 2 raised to how much? 1 by 32. into 1 by 8. This 1 by 32 is 1 by 8. Then here 3, 6 cancel. Then 8 it cancel. Right? 7 by 32.